Welcome back again to my channel, Hazel'S Diary. Guys, I hope you are all doing fine. And of course, thank you very much for supporting my channel, for watching my videos, and for subscribing. And if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe to support. And in this video, guys, if you can remember, I was having a video last time for the unboxing of the Cuisinart glass steamer. And of course, this time I will do the demo and the review because I'm going to steam a fish. So now I will show you how this steamer works, and later after my steamed fish, I will give you my best review that I can. So now let's start, guys. So this one, guys, is the Cuisinart Cookfresh digital glass steamer. And the model number is STM1000E. So first, okay, let's plug with the 220 volts. So now the machine is on. And of course, the cover is a glass with a stainless steel handle. And of course, the stainless glass rim. And we have here the tray, which is reversible. So if the quantity of the food is higher, you can use this part. Otherwise, if it is just one piece and not very high, you can always use this one, the shallow one. And then we have the glass dish, which is 5 liters, and of course the machine base. And here, okay, let's unplug first. So here we have the detachable water tank, which contains 1 liter. So there is the label of minimum and the maximum. And of course, if you want to put water, you just twist this one, then you pour water, then you close again. Make sure, guys, that you properly inserted this nozzle in the hole. And of course, here, if you want to clean and remove the whatever water inside, there is the opening here. So you just twist and you see, oh, there is the hole that all the water can come out. So now let's close it. So now let's put everything inside so you can see very well. And of course, if you want to put the glass dish, make sure, guys, that all the sides are properly placed on the corners. You see? So it's very stable because there is a rubber on the base that the glass will not slide. And then also the glass, the cover, you should really place properly. You see here, there is the hole that must be here in the steamer as well. So all the steam will not be wasted. You see here, it's properly placed. And then, so now let's plug again and I will show you the control panel. So there is the power on and off. So now let's switch on. And you can see the screen. So here, this button is reheat. And here there is the play and or start and pause. And here there is the cursor, you see, that whenever you twist, you can see that it's moving. Here, it's showing a manual that you can set up the time that you would like. So you just press OK to select the option. Then, if you twist this one, if you rotate, you can get the time. Whatever you want, you see 1 minute, 1 minute and 30 seconds, 2 minutes. And then, whenever the time that you would like to do has been set, you can just press the start. So, if you want to cancel this, you must again press here, power off, then switch on again. Then, let's continue showing the control panel, the options. There are 5 cooking methods. Okay, there is the manual. Then there is the fish, and the preset time of this fish is 20 minutes. Then there is the poultry, chicken, 30 minutes. Then there is the cereals for 25 minutes, like whatever cereals that you would like to do. Then vegetables, 15 minutes. And this one is keep warm or reheat as well. So when you like to select the option, you can always press the button, this one, and then if you would like to to change the time, you can always do the same. Like for example, now let's put the fish, and you choose, and then you can always increase the time. You see, now it's 20 minutes and 30 seconds, and then you can always press the start button. And let's symbol, guys. You see here, because there is no water obviously, so the symbol is showing that, meaning there is no water in the tank, so we need to put. So whenever you are steaming, guys, and this symbol comes out, meaning that you need to add water. So this is how it is, guys, this Cuisinart. And of course, if you are not using the machine and you plug it, it's automatically switch off for after a few seconds. And in the manual it says, guys, that before first use, you must steam the machine empty with a full tank of water for 30 minutes. So now that I would like to do the steam fish, so then I can do the review. So now I will do the 30 minutes steaming without anything, and I will show you guys how powerful it is. So now the water tank is filled, and now let's plug and let's switch on. So this one, guys, we just do the manual because anyway it's empty, so we can just choose the manual. So I click the button to select manual, and then I will put 30 minutes on the panel as a timer, as recommended by Cuisinart. Okay, now it's set for 30 minutes steam, and now let's press the start. Hopefully it's working. Let's see, guys. Yes, it's working. As you can see, guys, you see that starts steaming. You see the glass became already cloudy because with the steam already. So for the time being, finger crossed, is working, and hopefully will work and will last for long. And of course, guys, Cuisinart is a very good brand, and it delivers according to the price. So if you want to buy something that is good and will last long, of course you must go to the brand that is it's known and working well, and of course with a good reputation. So let's see, guys. So now it's steaming, and after this one, guys, we will clean the machine and then all the parts, and then we will do the steam fish. Okay, now 30 minutes steaming done. And now what we have to do is to clean the parts. And of course, we must wait till get cold because now it's very hot. So now let's switch off the machine and then unplug and wait to get it cool. So here are the ingredients of my steamed pampano fish: salt and pepper, and then extra virgin olive oil, of course sliced ginger, fresh rosemary, 1 clove of garlic cut into 2, and slice of fresh green chili, and it's lemon wedges. So now let's put the ingredients. So first, let's put the garlic inside the tummy, and then rosemary cut into pieces. Then let's put also inside the tummy. Then ginger, let's spread. Then let's put some in the tummy as well. Then green chilies. Then lemon wedges. Then salt and pepper. And of course, olive oil on top. And ready for steaming, guys. Okay, now, so let's steam the fish for the first time of trial. And of course, guys, make sure that the tank is full. And of course, the tray is there. And now, let's put the cover and make sure that it's attached properly. So now, let's switch on the machine. And let's just use, guys, the preset, which is for the fish. And let's see how it goes. Let's start. Here we are. It's working. Okay, guys, so 20 minutes is done. So now let's check. Wow, looks yummy. Okay, so it's done. 20 minutes is done. But of course, it depends how big the fish is. And if you can always add the time. If your fish is so big, of course, it requires more time. And this one is just a little bit medium size. So 20 minutes, it's okay. Alright, guys. So the first try of this Cuisinart is successful! And of course, we steamed white pampano fish. Here's my review, guys. The pros, it's of course, as you saw in my video before, that the steamer looks very classy and elegant. Very easy to use. The capacity of the dish is 5 liters, is big enough for a family or for any occasion. The capacity of the tank of the water is 1 liter and you don't need to refill when you are cooking. And for 30 minutes or 20 minutes is more than enough, the 1 liter. The control panel is very easy to use with 5 cooking methods. So the only one thing that I can tell, I have 1 cones, which is, you know, the handle is stainless, and of course you cannot touch while steaming or after the steaming because it's very hot, the handle. So I would say that if the handle is more practical, that you can hold like that without using the gloves, is even better. And despite of this, guys, out of 10, 10 as the highest, I will still give 10 because I am very happy for the purchase, of course. And of course, it delivers the purpose. And for the price, I would say that is a little bit is expensive. That's why, guys, one of the reason why we purchase in Amazon Italy, because it's cheaper than Cuisinart Philippines in Lazada. Because the amount, the price in Lazada Philippines Cuisinart, more than 21,000 pesos. And in Amazon Italy, including customs and delivery, shipping fee, around 14,000 pesos. So it's like 30 to 40% cheaper. And the delivery is not that bad, guys, because less than a week we received the item. So overall, I am very satisfied. And I hope that it will last long because for the time being is working perfectly. And of course, guys, don't forget that there are 2 models, which is 110 volts only used in US, and of course other European countries like Italy is having 220 volts also, like in Philippines. So be careful, guys, in purchasing the item because of course not all the same voltage. And of course, it's another hassle if you buy the wrong one, you must send back, and of course, so it's not really good. So better that to check immediately rather than getting the hassle. So what else I can say, guys? It's I am very satisfied and I cannot wait, guys, to prepare more foods, and of course, especially for my son, steamed vegetables, meat, and of course some cereals. So hopefully, guys, you like this video, and please don't forget to give a like. And of course, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to support. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!